Welcome to the Downtown Grand, newly remodeled. This place is really, really nice. Come on in. So we're in the Grand Tower, which is kind of across the street. It's on the same side of the street as Pizza Rock, if you've been to Pizza Rock in downtown. Really, really nice location and part of the newly renovated downtown area. So this is just off of Fremont Street. Just off of Fremont Street in the downtown area. So East Fremont is where you see a lot of our videos, Container Park in that area. This is walking distance. This is like just a couple minutes. We're actually right across the street from the Mob Museum also. So right in the heart of downtown. So this is just two queens in the tower, fully renovated. We wanted one king, but they're actually booked. It's a Friday here in Vegas and it's Thanksgiving weekend. So they're actually booked for the weekend, which is nice to see. So when they said, you know what, we're all sold out of the Kings, that's fine with us because that lets us know that Vegas is coming back. Nice flat screen, great workstation here, and a pretty nice view. Really nice view here. You can see, I don't know if you guys can see it at home, but you can see a full moon up in the sky up here right over the mountains. It's just absolutely beautiful. Right there, you can see Slotzilla. We've got a view of Fremont Street right over there in the little Walgreens where I'm sure we're gonna be making a couple pit stops. And you can even catch the corner of the El Cortez right there. You see the little EL from El Cortez. So really great location. Like you guys have seen in some of our other videos, and I've mentioned before, when we come to Vegas, we like to stay in different hotels just to mix up our trip a little bit. So we're here for about 4 nights, and then we're gonna be popping over to another place on the Strip for 4 nights, 4 or 5 nights, and then moving into our new place here in Vegas.